In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a meeting in Google Meet. When you schedule a Google Meet, it's actually tied to a Google Calendar event. That means you don't delete it directly from Google Meet itself. Instead, you remove the meeting by deleting or updating the event in Google Calendar. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that so the meeting link is canceled and participants are no longer expecting to join. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used to create the meeting. If you have multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture or email in the top right corner so you're in the right calendar. Next, look for the event that contains your Google Meet. You can find it in a couple of ways. The most common way is to navigate to the date and time of the meeting on the calendar grid and click the event there. If you have a lot of events, you can also use the search bar at the top of Google Calendar and type a keyword from the event title to quickly locate it. Once you've found the event, click on it to open the details. You should see the Google Meet link in the event, along with the date, time, and list of guests. This confirms you're working with the correct meeting. If you want to completely delete the meeting so it no longer appears on your calendar or your guests' calendars, look for the delete or remove option, usually shown as a trash can icon. Click this option. If other people were invited, Google Calendar will ask if you want to send a cancellation email. It's a good idea to send that update, so everyone is clearly informed that the meeting has been canceled, and the Meet link is no longer active for that time. After you confirm, the event is removed from your calendar, and the associated Google Meet is effectively deleted. Anyone who tries to use that old link from the event invite will no longer have a valid scheduled meeting. If you don't want to fully delete the event, but just want to remove the video call, open the event details and look for the Google Meet section. There will be an option to remove or disconnect the video conferencing. Save your changes, and the meeting link will be taken off the event while the rest of the event stays on your calendar. And that's all you need to know to delete a meeting in Google Meet using Google Calendar.